Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen, TGIF. By the way, I've been up since about 12:30. Yeah. But I was asleep. According to Robin, I was asleep and gone by 8. So I really got like 4.5 hours. Hey, I got to get my body clock. All right, enough about my body clock. Last night was a super simple dinner. That's why I didn't really post anything other than a photograph. Spicy peanut butter noodles. Just call it peanut sauce noodles. Yes, there's peanut butter in it, but there's peanut butter in all peanut sauces. Or most. Most. It's really good. Unfortunately, I forgot 2 ingredients. Oops. This is why you do mise en place before you cook. I did it in the morning, but I didn't do it at night. So, mise en place, mise en place, mise en place. Don't forget. Get your shite together. It was good. Try it. You'll love it. If you like peanut sauces, this is a good one, even without the ingredients. And I'll tell you what I left out in a minute or two. Tonight, Robin's going to be out of town on business, so I'm on my own, and it's Pasta Friday. Tonight, I am doing garlic and lemon vermicelli. Let's get to it. And here's the vermicelli, lemon, kosher salt, black pepper. These are the 2 ingredients I left out. Fresh ginger and minced garlic. So can you imagine those in a nice peanut sauce? Yummy. Olive oil and some Szechuan red chili flakes. Another simple dinner, 2 nights in a row. Gotta love pasta. By the way, this dish is a Casual Chef original. Doing a lot of those lately. So, just a reminder, tomorrow, Saturday, and Sunday, I will not be doing my morning messages or any type of videos in the evening. No slideshows, possibly a demo, but probably not. But I will be posting throughout the day and checking on things. I have a couple things in the works that I'm working on my desk that are Casual Chef related. So on this Friday, by the way, be safe out there this morning. It is really, really foggy here in Sutter County, California. Don't know about the rest of the world, but here it is. So on this Friday, have a great day. It's TGIF. Eat great food. Go out on a date. And have fun cooking.